In this video, we will learn how to find GCD or HCF by horizontal method. In mathematics, the greatest common divisor, that is GCD, of two or more numbers is not at all 0. It is the largest positive number that divides each of the numbers. In the name greatest common divisor, the word greatest can be replaced by highest and the word divisor can be replaced by factors, so that the other name can be highest common factor, that is HCF. For finding greatest common divisor, here are the 3 steps. Number 1, find all the factors of each number. Number 2, find all common factors of given numbers. And number 3, if you get more than one common factor, then you have to multiply all the common factors to find HCF. Now, let's start with the horizontal method. Example, find HCF of 50 and 45. Here we'll start with 50. 50 is present in 5's table. So instead of 50, we will write factors as 5 into 10. First factor of 50 is 5 and which is not divisible by any other number. So we will write 5 as it is. Second factor is 10 and which is present in 2's tables. So instead of 10, we will write factors of 10 as 2 into 5. We will rearrange all the factors from smaller to bigger and we will write factors of 50 as 2 into 5 into 5. Now we'll start with 45. 45 is present in 5's table. So factors of 45 are 5 into 9. 5 is not divisible by any other number, so we will write 5 as it is. 9 is the second factor of 45 and which is present in 3's table. So instead of 9, we will write 3 into 3. Again, we will rearrange all the factors from smaller to bigger and factors of 45 are 3 into 3 into 5. Now, have a look of all the factors of 50 and 45 and find out the common factor. And we will see only 5 is the common factor. We will write common factor as 5 and therefore HCF of 45 and 50 is 5. Let's understand with one more example. Find HCF of 32 and 24. 32 is present in 4's table. So instead of 32, we will write factors as 4 into 8. 4 is the first factor of 32 and which is divisible by 2. So instead of 4, we will write factors of 4 as 2 into 2. 8 is the second factor of 32 and which is present in 4's table. So instead of 8, we will write factors as 4 into 2. As 2 is not divisible by any other number, so we will write 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. But 4 is divisible by 2. Therefore, instead of 4, we will write factors as 2 into 2. So, factors of 32 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 5 times 2. Now, 24. 24 is present in 3's table. So instead of 24, we will write factors as 3 into 8. 3 is not divisible by any other number. So we will write 3 as it is. 8 is the second factor of 24. So instead of 8, we will write 2 into 4. As 3 and 2 are not divisible by any other number. So we will write 3 into 2 as it is. But 4 is divisible by 2. So instead of 4, we will write factors as 2 into 2. Now, let's have a look on common factors of 32 and 24. And they are 3 times 2. That is 2, 2 and 2. So we'll write common factors as 3 times 2. Now, for finding HCF, we will take 2 and multiply it. So we'll take 2 into 2 into 2 and now multiply and we will get factors as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, HCF of 32 and 24 is 8. Thank you.